guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. I made this shirt myself, going off of a pattern from Thoughtful Creativity for a Boxy t-shirt, and I decided to record for you guys how I went about that. So there's no voiceover in this video, so you guys can just watch and see how I do everything. And like I said, Thoughtful Creativity has a detailed video on how to do this, but I thought maybe this would give you guys some ideas on how you can incorporate maybe your Cricut with your handmade items. My fabric is from Walmart. They frequently have $2 to $8 fabric, just already cut up in yards. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions at all, make sure that you comment down below. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I do videos on sewing, sublimation, Cricut crafts, other DIYs. So if you are interested in any of those things, you are definitely in the right place. Enjoyed this video. Again, if you have any questions, make sure that you comment down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. And again, I will link Thoughtful Creativity's video down below so that you can get the exact pattern and detailed instructions on how to do the shirt. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.